po! So today is our donning and oath-taking as PCGA. So I'm your auxiliary lieutenant, Lovely J. Tupa. Kasi nandito na ako sa venue. So is this it? Ayan. This is it. Ayan yung venue. Dito na ako sa venue. So at last, November, December, January, March, April, May, June. So June, this is it. 7 months. And ayan na.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Our program is about to start.
May we request everyone, please settle down and kindly put your mobile phones to silent. Dako po doon malakas rumingin sa atin. Dalawang guys po yun sa Bilad pa.
Yes, yes. Dalawa lang ha? Yes, yes.
Dalawa lang kayo. Mabilis po dapat. Tapos ito po, dito po, bali sa tapat po natin kilay. Sa nandito. Governor of Occidental Mindoro, Mr. Jun Lee.
Welcome to the donning and oath-taking ceremony of the newly appointed PCGA members of the 506 Coast Guard Auxiliary Squadron.
To formally start today's ceremony, may we request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be subsequently followed by the invocation to be led by Sea Woman First, Shinaline R. Torres, Philippine Coast Guard.
Babayan ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang matibig, pero sa sigahanan, harap ng puso, sa likid mo'y buhay, lupang hilirang, tuwira ang pag-ibig, sa manlulubi, pinapasisigil, sa nanalang puno, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagaw, ay hinagang tula, tawid sa paglayang minamahal, ang isang ng watawat mo'y tagumpay, manatilinig, ang ilulin at araw niya kailan, ang may liwanitinig, luna na araw ng buwan, ating pasinta, kulay langit sa piling mo, ang ibigaya naman ay mag-aapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Umungabo, Philippine Coast Guard, for his welcome remarks.
Sa mga newly assigned personnel dito, PCJ na idodoni ngayon, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. So to our new colleagues, I extend heartfelt welcome. You have chosen a path that demands dedication. Chapter, it is a reminder to everybody that you are now part of family of PCG organizations. To our seasoned personnel, you experience leadership and invaluable. You are pillars. The new members ensuring the continued success of our mission. So remember na sa mga bagong idodoning ngayon at sa lahat ng PCJ members na we are a political organizations. Do not use your uniform to any personal interest. So although nandito lang tayo para suportahan, mag-serve sa 5 functions natin, let's be participative sa lahat ng community engagement dito sa province of Occidental Mindoro. So,
Commander Civil Relations Group, District Southern Tagalog, Lieutenant Junior Grade Kevin M. Kigao, Philippine Coast Guard, for the reading of appointment orders.
Orders, Philippine Coast Guard, 139 25th Street, Port Area, Manila. Pursuant to General Orders number 091-Alpha NSQPCG dated 08 May 2025, appointment, Section 1, Marlon L. Martinez and 27 others are hereby appointed the service of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary with honorary ranks effective as of 18 June 2025. Designation, Section 2, after having been appointed to the service of Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Auxiliary Lieutenant Commander Marlon L. Martinez PCGA, and 12 others are hereby designated as members of the 506 Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Squadron, SIGAD STL, effective as of 18 June 2025. By Commando, Admiral Caban, Philippine Coast Guard, Official, Commodore Algier Giri Caprente, Philippine Coast Guard, Acting
Auxiliary Lieutenant Commander Jory M. Francisco, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, for the charging of members. May we respectfully request all the inductees to please rise.
The work of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. It gives me great pleasure to be the one of charge you before your formal induction as members and officers. Volunteer organization. It has 15 auxiliary districts. The organization is non-political and non-secretarial. And whatever PCG members do, they do so as volunteers. Membership in the PCGA is by invitation only. You all have been invited for being stand-outs in your chosen civilian profession and for the potential help that you can extend to the Philippine Coast Guard as a member of the PCGA. But before you all formally inducted, we counted as members and officers of the 506 Squadron. Allow me to ask you two questions, and your answers to these two questions should be loud and clear for others to hear. Did you come to join the PCGA of your own free will accord?
Yes.
Are you truly prepared and well qualified of local age and properly vouched for to take on the responsibilities of being a member of the PCGA?
Yes.
At this point, I would like to call the attention of our Deputy Chief of District Staff for Civil Relations Service, this even Lieutenant Junior Grade Norel Ann Arlandicho, PCG. Ma'am, they will be answering yes when asked to do service for PCGA. Considering that you have expressed your willingness to join the PCGA, may I inform you that you also have to assume certain responsibilities, and these are the payment of your PCGA dues on time, attendance in your respective schedule, meeting and active participation in the activities of your respective squadrons. You should learn to grow in PCGA knowledge by getting your personal copy of the PCGA Regulations Manual. You will also have speakers from both the PCG and PCGA hierarchy during your regular meetings to broaden your knowledge about the PCG and the PCGA, and will be updated of the latest development in both organizations. Again, welcome to the world of PCGA, and I hope that your becoming members would bring luster to your way of life, particularly the wearing of the prescribed uniform. Wear the uniform with pride and in correct manner of all times. As a parting message, always keep these words of wisdom in mind as PCGA members. We make our living by what we receive, and we make our work living by what we give. You will be now formally inducted into the PCGA, word by none other than to the Deputy Chief of District Staff for Civil Relations Service, D7 Lieutenant Junior Grade Norel and Arlandicho, PCG. After the donning of your shoulder boards, thank you and welcome aboard to the service of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
Thank you, sir. You may now take your
The newly appointed PCGA officers of the 506 Squadron to proceed in front for the donning of ranks to be led by Lieutenant Junior Grade Noriel Ann Arlandicho, Philippine Coast Guard, and to be assisted by Lieutenant Junior Grade Kevin M. Kigao, Philippine Coast Guard, Lieutenant Junior Grade Kenneth O. Bungabong, Philippine Coast Guard, and Auxiliary Lieutenant Commander Jory M. Francisco, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
acknowledging the presence of Mayor of Occidental Mindoro, Honorable Ray C. Ladala.
May I call on Lieutenant Salibo, PCGA, Lieutenant Virginio, PCGA, Lieutenant Mateo, PCGA, Lieutenant Tupal, PCGA. Again, may I call on Lieutenant Salibo, PCGA, Lieutenant Virginio, PCGA, Lieutenant Mateo, PCGA, and Lieutenant Tupal, PCGA.
PCGA, and Lieutenant Junior Grade, Janicio, PCGA, and Lieutenant Junior Grade, Mateo, PCGA, and Lieutenant Junior Grade, Pasco, PCGA, and also Lieutenant Junior Grade, Pacaul, PCGA.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been appointed as state your rank of the Coast Guard Auxiliary District Southern Tagalog, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by the rules and regulations of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, dedicated my best effort to carry out its mission of promoting safety of life, and property at sea, protecting the marine environment, conducting search and rescue operation, and assisting in youth development. To effectively accomplish the PCGA mission, I hereby declare that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations to the newly appointed PCGA officers and auxiliaries. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause.
You may now take your seats.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the opportunity to be accepted as a volunteer member of the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. It is truly an honor to be part of this esteemed organization and dedicated to service, discipline, and patriotism. I am deeply inspired by the PCGA's mission to support the Philippine Coast Guard in promoting maritime safety, environmental protection, and humanitarian assistance. I humbly accept this responsibility and pledge to uphold the values and duties entrusted in me. On behalf of the 506 Squadron inductees, I am honored to express our desire to be a part of the Philippine Coast Guard's mandates and duties. Thank you once again for welcoming us into this noble community. I look forward to learning, serving, and growing alongside my fellow auxiliaries. Always ready. Semper Paratus.
Request Lieutenant Junior Grade Noriel Ann R. Landicho, Philippine Coast Guard.
Administrator, Sir John Lizard. Good afternoon, sir. Our Civil Relations Group, Southern Tagalog Commander, Lieutenant Junior Grade Kevin M. Tigaw. The Station Commander of the Occidental Mindoro, Lieutenant Junior Grade Kenneth Bungabong. And syempre po ang ating DAS, Auxiliary Lieutenant Commander, Sir Francisco, sir. Good afternoon. And to everybody, especially the newly appointed PCGA members. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Hindi po ninyo natatanong, ako po ay taga-dyan lang sa kabilang munisipyo. Sa Sablayan po. So I'm very grateful na ako po yung naging presiding officer nyo sa ngayong araw na ito. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta. And alam ko, very active dito ang ating DAS. Actually, nag-usap po kami, sabi niya, medyo inactive yung ating mga members dito, ma'am. Ayusin natin. So, sige sir, pupunta ako dyan. Mimit natin sila lahat at magkakaroon tayo ng meeting, which is mamaya po, after this, donning and oath-taking. And, sa dami po ng donning and oath-taking na aking na-attendan, ito lang po yung madalas kong naririnig at ito yung tumatatak sa akin. Kapag kayo po ay naging PCGA member, meron dapat kayo at least 1 sa 3 T's, 3 T's. Alam niyo po ba yun? Either you have your time, talent, or treasure. Okay po? Kasi sa mga activities natin, your functions is to support the Coast Guard in marine environmental protection, safety, and community relations activities. So, at least kung wala po kayong time, kung hindi po kayo nakakapunta ng activities, baka meron po kayong treasure na pwedeng mag-support doon sa activities natin. sa Coast Guard. Or, meron po tayo mga lawyers, doctors, teachers, nurses. Kung wala po kayong time, wala po kayong treasure, at least meron po kayong talent na kung sakali po kailanganin ng Coast Guard, makakapag-support po kayo. And lastly po is yung time. Katulad po na ating DAS, ang sabi ng ating station commander dito, napaka-active talaga ni DAS. So lahat ng activities, as much as possible, talagang na-attendan niya with the help of the members. So with that, thank you very much, Ma'am Sir. And marami pa po tayo i-discuss mamaya kasi nag-request din ako ng meeting. And mabuhay po tayong lahat.
In front, first message.
So, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Po sa lahat ay nais po niya po paabot sa ating ating ganadong gobernador. Akin pong LCDR Jory Francisco, PCJA. So, magandang hapon po sir. 506 Squadron Commander. Sa ating pong ikaw kapamilya dito sa Lieutenant pa to o LPG o Noriel Manlan Bicho, ma'am. LPJG Kevin Diagaw, sir. Magandang hapon po. LPGJ Kenneth Pungabong. Magandang hapon po. Siyempre, especially sa ating isig na mayor po ng bayan po ng San Jose. So, isang mapagpalayang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ang inyo pong ganadong gobernador ay ipapaabot ng pagkikisa, pupugay, sa gaganapin ng pili at tuloy ceremony sa hapon ito. Ngayon tuturing po natin ito, isang makabuluhang gawain ng Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, higit lalo sa lalawigan ng Occidental Mindoro. Auxiliary, which comes from the Latin noun auxilium, meaning aid, assistance, or enforcement, is used in a wide range of capacities in English to describe a person that assists another. The term auxiliary work also refers to supportive or supplementary tasks that assist in the completion of a primary job or function. The Coast Guard Auxiliary serves as a force multiplier for the Coast Guard, providing support and resources for a wide range of missions. Ngayong araw po nito ay saksi tayo sa isasagawang piling, tuning at oath-taking ceremony ng 28 bagong miyembro ng Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary 506 Squadron. Palakpakan po natin sila. Mga magigiting na maritime frontliners ng ating lalawigan na magiging katuwang natin sa maritime safety, pangangalaga ng ating kasyamang dagat, at pagtaliban at pagtugon sa mga kalamidad gaya ng search and rescue, environmental protection, at community service. Taglay po ninyo ang prinsipyo na nakaugat sa values of honor, commitment, at proactive participation in nation building and especially volunteerism. Lastly, let me give emphasis to the real essence of volunteerism. Volunteerism is a cornerstone of Filipino culture, deeply embedded in our tradition of bayanihan. RA 9418 or the Volunteers Act of 2007 defines volunteerism as an act involving a wide range of activities and developmental interventions that provide an enabling and empowering environment both on the part of beneficiary receiving and the volunteer rendering the act. With that, mabuhay po ang PCGA 506 Squadron. Magandang hapon po, mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Mga opisyal na nasa harapan ay mag-video ay sa Pumabong Tumanan Pare Julie Francisco ay Marlon Martinez Principal yet naging hari ng mga auxiliary magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo sa totoo lang, pasok ko pa lang kanina na siwa na pumasok. Siyado kayo mga seryoso sa buhay niyo. Hindi ka lang mong bakit kayo seryoso. Tulad din ang nulis ng baga niya sa baba. Nagkaroon ng ng programa ang mga kapulisan. Yung tourism-oriented police for community order and protection, TACTA. Nandun pala ako sa kalsada, sinalubog ako ng provincial director. Nahiya ako. Pasok ko, ganyan pang kaseryoso katulad nyo. Ginulo ko sila. Ako hindi ako sanay dyan. Maaari ka ako, just relax, at least tayo lahat. Dahil hindi ko pinagisnan ang maging sundalo. Sabi ko sa kanila, graduate ako ng 4 na ROTC, pero lahat tinakasan ko, nagbabayad lang ako. Kaya kung tatanungin niyo ako kung anong mga rango niyo, bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Hindi ko alam yan. Basta importante sa akin, pagka kailangan natin ng Coast Guard, nandiyan kayo. Kailangan natin auxiliary, nandiyan din kayo. Katuwang namin kayo. Katulad natin, sabi niyo, sa maritime safety, environmental protection, and everything. Community service. So, hindi siguro, hindi siguro kailangan pa magsabi ng congratulations sa inyo lahat. Importante siguro sa ating lahat ay huwag kayong masyadong seryoso sa buhay. Tumawa kayo paminsan-minsan, kanina habang dinudaan nyo, yung uniforme at inyong kalo, yung cup, para wala nang kainit pa. Ay, parang mamamatay na kayo. Parang ilalagay na kayo sa baho. Hanggang parang magkaiba talaga ang pananaw natin sa buhay dahil alam niyo naman po ako.
To extend his appreciation for this momentous ceremony, may we request Auxiliary Lieutenant Commander Jory M. Francisco, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, for the giving of the token of appreciation. May we request to please rise as we sing the Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Team.
We go PCGA with the commitment of saving lives at sea. Dedicated to service that is true, making this world a safe place for me and you. Forward we go PCGA, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Onward we go, saving lives we always do. Kami ang kabalikatin niyo, lahat ng oras ulan man o bagyo, hanggang tumulong sa kapwa Pilipino. PCGA kami handang magserbisyo, sulong kapatid sa PCGA, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Mabuhay tayo, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's ceremony.
Ang tanod baybayin ng Pilipinas.
May we request everyone to please proceed here in front for the photo opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, merienda muna tayo. Ano lang, pansit. With many chicken. Sarap na diet. Sarap. Sarap pancit nila. Masarap ang pancit nila. Masarap. Diet eh. Tingnan mo. Picturean ko si Sir. Ay, Ma'am Cora, may PCJ ka na. PCJ bagay. Ma'am Cora, magpaganda ka. Si Sir ang kumukha sa'yo. Pinakabahan siya. Nandun yung araw. Yay, meron. Ako ang 2.5. Wait lang, nag-ID. Wait lang, ano ko naman nag-ID side. Ang pogi Ma'am Cora na nag-picture. Okay, so dahil tapos na ang celebration, meron kaming food. Di ba may food? At may server na pogi. Agree daw sila na pogi, nagkasayaw sila. Okay, open. Ano to? Kanin? Rice. Ito. Wow. Ito, ano? Ay, naku, di nila alam yung server nila. Chicken. Ito. Salad. Kasi naputo yung ulo niya. Lalayo tayo. May kape jelly. Okay, kanina, ano lang yun? Merienda ngayon. Kaya na tayo, mga beshi. Ramen na.